0DT options are a way for you to better customize your options trading on JasperVault. If you believe that the degen options are not long enough, as in 2 hours is not long enough, and you think you want to predict it more in the future, you can get up to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24 hours. See at the top, we offer more options. We have WSOL and Arbitrum added, and if you click on the expand button, you can see the previous analytics of each cryptocurrency. You can organize them by time, as in each bar represents a minute, 10 minutes, hours, days, and even months. You can change the type of graph, so you get bar graphs or even line graphs. You can add indicators as well, such as advanced decline ratio, 24-hour volume, accumulation distribution, just tools that can help you better predict the future. Scrolling down to the actual buying process of the options, you can have call options and put options again, and this time you can customize how much you want to pay for the option. This is the option premium. So let's do like $10, a call option on Ethereum for $10, and we'll set it to 20 hours. And you can see that after we've done the necessary signatures and confirmations, we can go back to Degen tab, swipe right, and see our 20 hours option call is here. Or we can go to our positions and see it will be there as well.